jangan salah terutama soal Tuhan.
माता पूरी करने वाली वो गायत्री आश्रम जाकर विष्णु स्वामी विष्णुदात्मानंद जी वो गायत्री आश्रम जाकर Kerala and distributed children and all the representatives of our other countries. All we are here to celebrate 150th year of great science and social reformer Sri Narayana Guru, who is an expert but scientific, social and revolution. A gathering of hundreds and thousands, he has given to us one cause, one science, social revolution in a land seeking compromise. A law of Brahmin reducing the actors everything in the fire of knowledge. Established in Brahmin, engaged citizen in proper action for the welfare of world, this is time. Sri Narayana Guru especially said the Guru used his athletic philosophy in ameliorating the condition causing the persecution and finally out of the fulfillment of his realization, his heart overflowed with sympathy and compassion for his fellow beings. Through religious creation, he preached the unity of religion and worked for the betterment of mankind. He focused on the louder. For their spiritual betterment, he ordered a monastic order and he dedicated civility and their leaders about each other. On this occasion, we are giving an message and welcome Sri Bhukaji. Swami Shivakaranta is leaving all his important assignment. He passed out assignment, but he is to go on without any hesitation. On behalf of Sri Narayana Mission and his families, I personally also welcome Sri P.R. Bhaskar. Sri Bhaskar, he brings our children who was firstly accepted our invitation, but due to his official busy schedule, he is left for humanity. I also take this opportunity to Bhaskar for Sri Narayana Mission and his family. And I personally welcome Swami for the betterment of our Siddhartha. Mala Puri, who was accepted our invitation and taking all the way from Kerala to Athens and make this program a grand success. Knowing that over a big time to fall, I extend my warm welcome on behalf of Sri Narayana Mission and his family to Madhari. I also extend warm welcome to Vishnudatmanand ji of Shivagiri. Vishnu Ratnathanji was accepted our invitation and traveled all the way from Kerala to make this event as a grand success. I also extend warm welcome to executive and candidates and presidents and other organizing secretaries like S.L. Srinarayana Samajam Sandesh Director Gopal Nayak Samajam Heavy Electrical Malaria Association, United Malaria Association, South Gopal Association, SLDP Yogam Sultan Coast, Ayyappa Seva Sangam BHL Gopal and SL Samajam Indore.